Creating documents for your business can be fun and simple. Just add a little bit of Mambo Merge to keep the look and feel that works best for you. Instantly merge, save, secure, and professional digital documents right out of Salesforce. If you are watching this video, you may have already installed Mambo Merge. So we're here to provide the next steps after your installation. Consider these your Mambo moves to get you moving in the right direction. Feel free to ask any questions by leaving comments in the section below, or simply go to our website to get answers to the most commonly asked questions. All links will be available in the description below. My name is Jesse, and I'm here with Cynthia, who will be helping us through the next steps after successfully installing the Mambo Merge app. Thanks for joining, and take it away, Cynthia.
Thank you, Jesse. I'm happy to help our clients move in the right direction with their Mambo Merge. Here is my org. We're actually going to be doing this on an opportunity. So we're going to go to our opportunities and select a opportunity record. Once on my opportunity record, I'm going to go up to a gear icon up here. This drop-down menu appears, and we're going to be selecting Edit Page. We're going to be adding that component using the Lightning App Builder. Takes a moment to load, but once it loads, on the component panel side right here on the left, we're going to scroll down to Custom Manage, and we're going to find our Mambo Merge. We can also search for Mambo Merge using the quick find here. Once we grab Mambo Merge, we're going to drag it onto our page. Anywhere where it's green, we can drop Mambo Merge there. I'll be dropping mine right here. When it's selected, you'll see that our configuration component appears on the right side. We'll be filling this out later. For now, we're going to hit Save. If you've never updated your Lightning App Builder page before, the activation will automatically appear. I'll select this here so you can see what that looks like. When it appears, you'll want to set it to org default. It'll give you the option for phone and desktop. Once you select that and save, it'll finish saving and you'll see changes saved right here. I'll show you once more what that looks like. Changes saved. Then we can go back to our page and you'll see Mambo Merge is now on our page for us. I'll send it back to you, Jesse.
Thank you, Cynthia. And thank you, folks. Stay tuned and follow us on social media for more videos to help you help your customers with their document generation needs. Thanks, everyone, and we'll see you in the cloud.